Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going back to a time before smartphones ruled the world, to the era of classic feature phones. And this beauty right here is the Samsung GT-S5610, also known as the Samsung Primo. It came out in 2011 and, believe it or not, it still works perfectly in 2025. So, what's it like to use this old school phone today? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the design. It's slim, it's shiny, and it feels premium. Even after all these years, the metal body gives it that solid Samsung quality that you just don't see on most budget phones today. The 2.4-inch display might look tiny now, but it's crisp and bright enough to read text, browse contacts, and play some old-school games. And, of course, the keypad. There's something so satisfying about pressing real buttons again. No autocorrect fails, no glass screens, just pure clicky perfection. Now let's talk about what it can actually do in 2025. No, it's not running Android. This is a classic feature phone. But it can still make calls, send SMS messages, play MP3s, take photos, and even connect to 3G. That's right, you can still use it for basic internet browsing or checking emails, although slowly. And let's be real, the battery life is incredible. Charge it once and it'll last a whole week easily. While modern phones die after a day, this one just keeps going. It's like the Energizer Bunny of mobile phones. The camera? 5 megapixels with autofocus. Not bad at all for its time. Sure, it's not going to compete with an iPhone 15, but in 2011, this was impressive. Photos actually look decent in good light, and it even records video. There's a real sense of nostalgia when you snap a photo and see that old Samsung interface pop up. And because it has expandable storage, you can load it with your favorite MP3s and use it as a tiny music player. Remember when people carried phones and MP3 players separately? This one did both. So what's it like using the Samsung GT-S5610 in 2025? It's simple, reliable, and refreshingly distraction-free. No notifications, no social media, no endless scrolling. Just calls, texts, and peace of mind. If you ever feel overwhelmed by modern tech, grab one of these. It'll remind you how calm life used to be before the smartphone era. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little trip down memory lane, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which classic phone should I test next?